Okay, do a quick video here. So, it's almost ASMR-like, but this is a number 3. What are these, Union screw extractor? And then 5/32 I used to drill it out, and I don't know, 5/32 fits in the 9/64 spot, so it might be a 9/64. I couldn't read what was actually on it. And I used a little Tap Magic, that EP Extra cutting fluid. Where is that? Right there. That's just good stuff. That's probably the best fluid I've used. Yeah, so drilled that out, and man, it came out a lot easier than I was thinking, but you know, that happens. But anyways, till next time, be safe, stay healthy, and learn something new.